What's up everyone? I recently passed the Microsoft AI-900 certification. Hence, in this video, I'll go through all the information about the certificate, how I prepared for it, the resources that I used, and my exam experience. Let me first start with an introduction to the certificate. The name of the certificate is Microsoft Certified AI Fundamental Certificate, and its exam code is AI-900. This certification teaches you machine learning and AI concepts as well as related Microsoft Azure services. The certification can be taken by anyone with or without a technical background. And here are some of the topics on which you will be evaluated during the examination. The first one is described artificial intelligent workloads and considerations. The second one is described fundamental principles of machine learning on Azure. The third one is described features of computer vision workloads on Azure. Then it's natural language processing workloads on Azure. And the last one is generative AI workloads on Azure. Now let me walk you through the resources that I used for the certificate. I only followed this learning path, introduction to AI in Azure. I went through each of these modules while also writing some notes for my reference. I made sure to utilize ChatGPT or Gemini to simplify any topic that was hard for me to understand in any of the units of the module. And I also made sure to write down the simple explanation of the topics in my notes, which would help me in future to revise the topic. The best part of the learning process is that all of these modules comes with hands-on labs which can help you leverage the Azure tools to utilize the concepts that you learned. I really like such hands-on learning path. After finishing all the modules, I started taking the practice assessments one per day until the exam. The best part at the end of each assessment is that it shows which modules you need to focus on. You can even create a custom collection of those topics. So each day after the assessments, I would review only those modules using both Microsoft Learn and my notes. Alright, now let me share the exam experience. As soon as I was done with each module, I went ahead and booked the exam. For the exam, we get two options. We can either take it at home or at an examination center. However, if you choose to take the exam at home, you need to clear a lot of things. Hence, taking it at an examination center was the best option. The experience was pretty decent and standard. I went there on the day of my examination, sat for the exam and passed it. Now, at the end, if you ask me how I feel about it, I would say, although it sounds just a fundamental level certificate, the best thing is it really teaches you machine learning, generative AI, NLP, and computer vision concepts before moving to their respective Azure tools. Hence, even if you do not use Azure but want to learn these concepts at an introductory level, this is a good certification. Plus, I can't emphasize enough on those hands-on lab that really helps you understand what is happening. Alright, if you want to know more about it, I already have a blog on the topic. If you have any questions, write them down in the comment section or reach me out. All the relevant links are in the description. Thank you so much for listening. I'll let you go now and have a great day.